Okay, everyone, here they are. I'm going to do an unboxing, a monster box of 2022 Silver Eagles. We're going to open this box up. I have them up on the website for you ready to buy these. It just came in today. And I want to show a new addition to my Portsmouth currency collection. Here we go. I bought this off of Liberty Coins. Somebody alerted me in the email that they had this. I have the $5.68 charter, but I didn't have it in the red scalloped seal there, as you can see, or the red charter note number there. So here's the note. It's really nice. I just, like I said, slowly but surely, maybe I'll get all these. This one end up costing, it retails around $7.50. I think I end up getting it for $6.50. So, you know, that's a lot of money to put down on a note, but I had to have it, like I said, for my collection. Get things geared up for that. So then we're going to open up this box. And as I do this, I wanted to explain to everyone, you know, I would love to be able to talk with everyone on the phone. I mean, I would. And I appreciate every single one of you that watch my videos. I appreciate every one of you that does business with me. And I don't want anyone to think me rude or, you know, inconsiderate or not helpful, but I just can't do it. I don't mind answering a question, but then what happens is it ends up being another question and another question, and then we start talking about stories and backgrounds and things that happen, and next thing you know, I've been on the phone for so long, you know, that I can't get anything done. And I don't want anyone to think ill of me for it. I can't help it. When the channel's growing so much larger, I can't keep up. So we'll get this out of here, this box, and turn it up here. Make sure, because last time, all right. Last time I pulled up on the straps and they broke on me. I didn't show it in the video, but I've got the blooper. The blooper's around here somewhere. I probably would show it now anymore. The longer the channel goes, the more comfortable you become with everyone, and you just feel like everybody's kind of family, you know. I mean, honestly, it's a community. I get the chance to communicate with you guys. Some of you I buy from, some of you sell to me, or do both, and meet me at the shows. And I appreciate every one of you. I don't want you to think, I know I can't do this without you guys, you know, but I just only have so much time. And as the channel grows, that time is less and less. But let's take a look at these. So we got, this is 2022. And here is what it looks like. We'll show you here. Here's the box. It comes with 25 rolls, and each one has 20 coins in it. So you have 500 coins in a monster box, and they're all mint sealed. These are fresh mint sealed rolls. Cut the straps, everything. So we're going to take a look at one of these. And this is stacking silver. You want to stack silver, you buy one of these. You buy a monster box, and you'll have some silver to stack, although you'll pay a premium. I do have tiered pricing, so if you order one, it's going to cost just a little bit more than if you order 20. I'll give you a deal if you order 20 from me, or 10. I think I got 3, 5, 10, and 20. So here they are. Here's what they look like, and here's a stack of them right here, and here are the coins. They're just like the 2021s. They just have 2022 on them. And you can see on the reverse, obviously the Type 2s. This is the new reverse we're going to have for the Silver Eagles now. I've kind of grown to like it a little bit. But there you have it. We do have these. They're going to be up on the site there, and I appreciate everyone, and thanks for watching my video. And please hit the sub button if you like to see videos like this when I open up boxes and things like that. I've got another video coming for a mystery box. It'll be up tomorrow. So everyone, have a great day.